topic, area. What is area? Area is actually the space occupied by any shape. Whatever the region is inside the shape. If this is our book, if I say, so the region inside our book, this one, this is a rectangular shape, the region inside our book. This will be the area of this book. So what is area? Area is the space enclosed by a given figure. Now you all must have already known that what is the area of rectangle. We have the formulas to find the area. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. We have length, we have breadth. We will multiply the dimensions of length and breadth and we will get the area of the given shape. The area of square. Area of square, in a square all the sides are of equal length. So that is why we only multiply the side with the side. That is the area of square. The next comes the unit of area. As you all know, we are multiplying the units. We are multiplying not only the digits, we are going to multiply the unit as well. So that is why the area is square units. Area is square units if the length and breadth are given in centimeter. So the area will become square centimeter. Alright. Now, you all know 1 meter has 100 centimeter. Right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now, what will be 1 meter square? If we have to convert 1 meter square into centimeter square, 1 has 100. So, meter square means you are going to multiply 100 twice. So, that becomes 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Alright. So, it will become 100 into 100 is 10,000 square centimeter. 100 into 100 becomes 10,000 square centimeter. Same, 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. So, if you need to convert this into meter squares, so it will become 1 kilometer square will be equal to 1000 meter into 1000 meter. 1000 meter into 1000 meter. Alright? And that will be written in square meter. I hope this much is clear to you all. Now, next comes if you need to convert 1 square. This is 1 square meter centimeter. What is 1 square meter? 1 square meter can also be said as, we call 1 square meter as 1 centiaire. 1 square meter can also be said as 1 centiaire. As same 100 square meter. Next comes 100 square meter. 100 square meter can also be said as 1 aire. 1 aire. So 1 square meter is equal to 1 centiaire, whereas 100 square meter can be said as 1 aire. These are the units: centiaire, aire, hectare. These are the units which are used to calculate the area for the higher dimensions. Like suppose if you need to plow field, right? So we need to know the area. If we need to grow some, I can say that we are growing any vegetable or something. So that requires a big land. For growing the area of the big land, we need to know the areas, right? So those areas which we need to know will be in the units centiaire or aire or hectare. This meter, centimeter, kilometer are the units which are used for the shorter dimension, which are used for these areas which of small dimensions. But for longer dimensions we use aire, hectare, centiaire. I hope this much is clear to you all. Next is 100 aires. 100 aires is also known as 1 hectare. 100 aires is also known as 1 hectare, and that can be said as 10,000 square square meter. Alright, and 100 hectares is called 1 square kilometer. These are all the conversions which we have just discussed, and it will be useful for the upcoming questions. And acres, hectare, centiare, these are the units which we use for the areas of the longer dimension, for the field, for the park, for making a building and all. Alright, now we are going to start with the next is examples. We are going to start with examples. Example number 9. Example number 9 is telling us how to convert. It is asking you to convert 200 acres to hectares. 200 acres to hectares. We have just seen 100 acres has 1 hectare. So, if I say example 9, we have to convert 200 acres to hectare. Right? 100 acres has 1 hectare. So we will write 100 acres is equal to 1 hectare. So if we need to find for the value of many, what do? We multiply. So what first 100, if we know the value of 100 and we need to find the value of 1. So 1 acre will be equal to, when we know the value of many and we need to find value of 1, we divide. So it will be 1 upon 100 hectare. You have to find 1 acre, we have got 1 acre has 1 upon 100 hectare. Now what about 200 acres? So if we know the value of 1, that means to find the value of 200 we will multiply it by 1 upon 100 will be multiplied by 200 hectares. So 1 upon 100 into 200. So 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200. It will become 2 into 1, 2 hectares. Alright. Now let us see the B part. Now in B part it is asking that you have to convert 0.75 hectares to square kilometer. We have just studied that 1 hectare has 10,000 square meter, right? We have just studied that 1 hectare has 10,000 square meter. So what about 0.75? 0.75 hectare will be equal to 10,000 into 0.75 square meter. We will multiply it by 10,000 to convert it into square meter. Now you can see here we have point, a decimal point, number of decimal point, number of digits after decimal point are 2. So that means this will be shifted 2 places. It will become 75 and we will left with 2 more zeros. So the point will shift to 2 places and it will become 7,500 square meter. Alright. I hope this much is clear to you all. This is how we need to convert. Now, example number 10 says a man owned 1 hectare of cultivable land. So, there is a land a man has and it is of 1 hectare. 1 hectare means 10,000 square meter. So, it has a land of 10,000 square meter. A part is asking you how many square meters of land would each of the children get if he divide it equally among 5 children. So he has 5 children, right now, and he has a land of 10,000 square meter. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. Alright, number of children he has is 5. So, and he wants to divide his property into equally among his 5 children. So, how much total land is 10,000. Each child, for finding the value of each, we are going to divide 10,000 square meter by 5, and you will get the value, or you will get the amount of land each child will get. Now B part is saying if the cost of tiling the land. Now they want to put a tile. They want to put a tile on the land, on the whole flooring. They have to do the flooring of it. And for 1 square meter, it is rupees 1.50. With 1.75 to find the cost of the tile each child will get. Alright. Now next is example number 11. You have to find the area of rectangle of length 17 centimeter and breadth 15 centimeter. So length and breadth of the rectangle are given to you. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. We have already discussed that. So you will simply multiply and you will write what is the area of the land. Make sure that you are writing the correct unit. When we find the area is always found in square units. So do not forget about that. Now next example number 12 is saying the area of a rectangular garden is already given to you. Length is given to you. You have to find the breadth of the rectangle. When we know the area, we know the length, we need to find the breadth. So breadth will be area divided by length. You will find the value of the breadth of the field. Alright. Same. Example number 13. You have to find the cost of leveling a square room. Leveling means that the level of the whole floor should be at the same line. Like you need to put the mud or whatever tiling and everything to make it at the same level. And the side of the square room is 12 meter 50 centimeter. If the side is 12 meter 50 centimeter, you can convert it into centimeter. 1 meter as 100 centimeter. So it will become 1250 centimeter. Alright. And then you will find the area. Area of square is side into side because the sides of the square are same. And then to find the rate of leveling, you will multiply the cost of leveling of per square centimeter with the area to find the rate of the leveling. I hope all this is clear to you. Already we have discussed the basics of this thing, and for finding the value of many we multiply. And you can try these examples at home by yourself. I have already explained how to do it. Now last is example number 14 that I am going to solve here on the board. Now example number 12 is saying that the length and breadth of the floor is 15 meter and 25 meter respectively. So the length is given and breadth is given to you of the floor. Find the number of tiles of the side 50 centimeter required to pave the floor of the room. That means the room is in the rectangular shape, right? But the tiling which they are doing on the room is of the square shape. You have the dimensions are given of the room, the dimensions are given of the tile as well. You need to find how many tiles they needed to put it on the floor. So what we will do first, now tiles means that one tile is given to you. You have to put the tile to the whole room on the flooring. That means you need to find the area. Now make sure that, see, length of the room is given in meter, breadth is also given in meter. But the dimensions of tile are given us in centimeter. So first step is to convert meter to centimeter. Whenever such questions come, make sure that the units are seen. To find the area, first we will convert 15 meter to centimeter. 1 meter has 100 centimeters, so 15 meter will have 1500 centimeter. Now 25 meter to centimeter will become 2500 centimeter. Alright. Now area of the floor, you need to find the area. If this is your floor, if this is your floor, so one tile is given to you. We have to put the tiles on the whole floor. We have to put the tiles on the floor, whole floor. One tile will come here. So 1, 2, 3, whatever the number of tiles are required to put it all over the floor, you need to find. So that means we need to find the area. Area is length into breadth of rectangle. That means 1500 centimeter into 2500 centimeter. You will multiply it and your answer will come 37500. And number of zeros are 4, so 0, 0, 0, 0. Centimeter into centimeter will become square centimeter. Square centimeter. Alright, this will be the area of the floor on which the tiling is to be done. Now, side of the tile is of 50 centimeter. You will find the area of one tile. Area of one tile is equal to 50 into 50, that is 2500 square centimeter. Alright, now you need to find the number of tiles they need to put it on the floor. You know the area of the whole floor, you know the area of the one tile. So to find number of tiles, you are going to divide the area of the floor with the area of one tile, and you will get your answer, the number of tiles required. So it will become 3750000 upon 2500. Once you will divide it, you will get your answer for it. So the number of tiles required will be, when you will divide, you will get 1500 tiles. So to put it on the floor, these number of tiles are required. I hope this is clear to you all. In this video, we have learned the conversions. We know that now air, hectare, centiare, these are the units which are used for finding the area of the large fields, and how we can find, or where do we need to know the area. Area is actually needed if you need to plow the field, if you need to put the tilings on the floor, or if you need to paint the walls. For all of it, we need to know the area of the given shape. I hope this much is clear to you all. Thank you so much. Take care everyone.